Hey guys, today I have a huge Dollar Tree makeup haul. And I am so excited because a lot of these items I'm actually putting in my bridesmaids like boxes or bags for to ask them, and also for like our bachelorette party that we're gonna do at some point. So yeah, I am excited. Let me get started with bag number one. So I picked up these little headbands and they are so cute. They are pink, that light pink with polka dots. And these are like the shower headbands. So these are great when you are washing your face, or even I figured maybe like the day of the wedding, if they're getting their makeup done, if they wanted to pull their hair back before they get like, do their hair, whatever. I just thought this would be great. And it's just cute. It's cute to have. I absolutely love having mine that I already have on hand, and it makes everything so much better when it comes to washing your face. And I picked up these foot mask products, and I don't think these are new. I'm really not sure. I think these have been out, but I feel like these are newer ones. So these are foot masks. I got two of those. And then I got the, what is this one? Moisturizing foot treatment mask. So there's another one. And this is Global Beauty Care. This is the Be Pure brand. And then this one is an exfoliating foot treatment mask. I don't know. I just thought I don't know. They look nice. I think I've heard someone say that they tried out their foot mask and they were good. So y'all let me know if y'all have tried them, but I thought they would be a good, like, just little night for me and my fiance, or just me and my girlfriend, whatever, just to have on hand. Then I picked up this Gentle Face Exfoliant by Bolero, if I could talk, Bolero. I haven't tried it, and I'm really sensitive when it comes to, one, smells, two, things on my face, like anything like that, but I really needed a exfoliant, and it's a Gentle Face Exfoliant, so I'm really hoping it's not too rough. I'll try it on when I'm not like wanting to film or needing it, so who knows, my face might break out, so let's hope not. And then, oh, I knew there's a fourth one of that. I also finally grabbed these. I wasn't going to because, again, I am very sensitive to things like this. However, I did get these to put in my girls' basket. So I only got one of each because there's multiple. There's 4-piece mask kit in this one, and then 4 mask kits in this one. So my thought was, it being 4 in there, I could maybe try one, give or take, when we're at the bachelorette, because we're not going to do anything big for the bachelorette. It's going to be a more calm one. So I thought maybe one night we could just do a relaxing, I don't know, a relaxing mask. I don't really know. But I thought these were great. They're Freeman brand. And I know people have been grabbing them. And again, I know they've been out. I just wanted to go ahead and grab them since I was going to do them for the girls. And then I also grabbed these scrunchies just because I really liked the color of them. Yeah, they're just nice tan, just a neutral color, so I thought it was very pretty. And yeah, they're very soft too, y'all. They're big, they're soft. I love these scrunchies, actually. And to grab 4 of these, and then didn't grab enough, but I grabbed some hand sanitizer for the girls, just mainly because this was pink and it said rose scented, and who couldn't go wrong with rose scented hand sanitizer? I don't know, it's hand sanitizer. But these would be cute to add onto a little baggie or the box or whatever, just as like a charm to add to the girls' items. I also grabbed, one fell off, these 2 sets of clips, and these were really just for me, but I thought they were nice. They look like a nice little faux leather. I mean, I don't know. I don't know how well they work. They're not bad. They have a nice feel to them. I am very sensitive when it comes to like My hair has to be all the way down or all the way up, and like I pin everything up because I can't handle the feeling of it. So I got these for that. I also grabbed this pink sunglasses clip for it to add it to my car visor or my fiance's truck one. I should have grabbed two so I can keep glasses in both. That way I don't always, y'all, I'm a mess. That way I don't always lose them and put them places. I also picked up this, what is it? Edge Wax Long Lasting Hold Shea Butter Scented. This is a newer item there. I wanted it because I always have flyaways, and yeah, it's a clear, it actually reminds me of like the hair paste that like the guys normally wear. So if you have a husband or fiance that wears like the clear wax, not the white, but the clear that's almost like a gel texture but not gel, that's exactly what it reminds me of. Then my second bag, I picked up more scrunchies, actually by the brand Scoonchy, I think is how it's pronounced. Don't quote me on that because I don't know. But y'all, look at these colors. They are the pink and those purples that are actually part of my wedding colors. So I just thought this would be perfect to throw in there as well. And it's super soft. Oh, I'm loving them. So nice. All right. Then, let's see. Then I grabbed a beauty blender sponge. I needed a new one. That's all. I also grabbed this Bolero Keep Calm Body Scrub, Rosewater Honey. I thought that would just be nice. I thought that was a pretty package. Y'all let me know if y'all have tried that one. I also picked up the girls these large Freeman full size. This one is a French pink clay peel off mask, pore clearing. But I got the girls this because again, I was scared to try it myself, but they were pink and I thought that's gonna look so cute in the basket. Y'all, how cute. So it's like a little beauty box for them. Y'all, with this next item, I about flipped because they are double edge safety razor. I got 4 of them for the groomsmen. They are stainless steel handle, 5 double edge blades, and I'm gonna open this one up because it'll end up being my fiance's. But y'all, I have been a hairstylist for 12 years, specifically men's hair. And I about flipped when I seen this. I cannot believe it because it looks like the old school razors. Like, y'all, I'm really hoping like my hand is even doing anything to help you out. I just thought this was so neat. And then you have these little safety razors. So these are little razor blades that you add in there. And yeah, I'm not really sure. Yeah, I think you just take it apart and add it in there is normally, yeah, normally how it goes. And then you just screw it back on with the razor. I am so excited for this, for him to use this, because these are so nice. I cannot believe Dollar Tree had these, y'all. What? Then grab this eyelash case. It's got a mirror in it. So I actually grabbed this one for me. Sometimes I wear lashes, sometimes I don't. I go through phases, but it holds 3 pairs is what it says. And I think I've heard someone say they had another, there was another design, but this was the only one I could find. And y'all, it even has a mirror on it. Look, it has a little sticker that shows it. But it has a mirror, and this is so stinking cute. How handy is that? Because, y'all, I just be placing them back. I'll just place them back in their little container or just wherever they kind of come off at. So Dollar Tree has really been stepping up their game when it comes to nails. Like these, I thought these were so cute and so adorable for like girls. Yeah, they're kids nails. But if like you have small nails like I do, then they might work for you. But I just thought they were so cute. Look at these little daisies. Like the pink on that is the perfect cutest little pink, and they are okay. So I'm assuming they were press on. That's what I thought, but I just thought those were so cute and I wanted to show you guys. And then these little heart ones, how precious. These would be so cute for Easter for your, like if you had a little girl, niece, whatever. That'd be so cute. Okay, moving on. Okay, all of these, they're called Taste Squad. Yeah, Taste Beauty candy flavored lip gloss. Don't eat it. Just gonna put it out there. Who knows? This one's called Candy Bar Crunch. But look, it looks like a little candy bar. Is that not fresh? I loved the like the colors, the brightness of the packaging. I loved the packaging design. That's what drew my attention. And then you have this little Berry Blast. Oh yeah, Candy Bar Crunch. This one's Berry Blast Over the Moon. It's a little alien. How cute is that? These would be great to put in little Easter baskets. And then you have, this one is Tutti Frutti. Do not worry, be happy. So not to worry, be happy. It's a little donut. Thought that was cute as well. It looks like it just like flips open. And then these two were fresh as well. So this one is a passion fruit punch, sweet flavored lip balm is what it says. I don't know. Yeah, it just looks like a little cup. I was trying to figure out what the design was back there and I can't move it around. But I thought that was cute. And then you have the Mocha Latte Lip Balm. And this one looks like a little coffee. It looks like the little, if I could hold it, it looks like the little coffee cup flips up. How cute is that? Which one do I want to open for you guys? Okay, so this is the donut. And let's see. Oh, this side. Y'all, it's glittered on the inside. It is glitter. You can smell it. It looks really pretty. I don't know if it adds glitter or not. I found another one. It's a birthday cake and it's an ice cream pop is what it's called. Look at that one. That one's fresh too. So cute. All right, then I also picked, what is it called? This one is Cupcake Lip Balm Gloss. I only got one of these. It is a strawberry flavored. It looks like a little cupcake, and that was the reason I got it. And also for the shape of this. For my journal. That's all. I'm a weirdo. But I just thought it was so cute. Moving on, I then picked up these. These all had like a dessert theme to them on this packaging. They're all by Beauty Intuition. So this one is actually a caramel brulee frap. Ooh, lip scrub. I didn't know that was the flavor. I just seen lip scrub, and look at the packaging. That's what I love about it though. I love the packaging, the color. They did such good, cute designs on these, y'all. And then this one is a Churros lip gloss. Look at those churros. And that color is really pretty, actually. At least it looks pretty to me. I don't know. I like the darker colors a little bit sometimes. And then this one is a s'mores lip balm. And they all say cruelty-free, vegan, cruelty-free. So this was a s'mores lip balm. And these would be so cute for like a, even if you had like someone you knew that liked desserts or likes candy or cooks, you could grab some of these for them. I don't know what just happened, but I think it broke on me. It just fell out. I don't know. Y'all, it smells delicious, but it broke on me. So, I think it would be a good pickup if, like, it didn't break. I would say that, maybe. So maybe you'll get lucky. I don't know. Then I got this, what is it? Lip oil cupcake lip oil. I got 4 of them because they were so cute and able to decide which girl I wanted to give them to because they were just so cute. So I got them each one of these to go in their basket. Again, cruelty-free, vegan, same company. And look, I love that they're matching the background to like what's going on. And like, I think that's so pretty. They did such a wonderful job on these. And then I grabbed, let's see, these 4. What is this? This is a Donuts Jumbo Lip Balm. Y'all. My very last item, 2 out of the 4 broke, but so that's them. I'm just gonna probably either double side tape it or glue it on somehow for them. But this is Macaroons Lip Stain. Macaroons lip stain. Y'all. Are you kidding me? Look how cute that is. I am loving that color. Look at this. It's probably going to stain my wrist now. But, I don't know. It's like a peachy, pinky. Probably because I got it off fast enough. But, yeah, it's pretty color. Not bad. I don't know. Maybe it might look different on my lips. I'd have to try. But, yeah, let me know if you've tried any of these items, which is your favorites, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Thank you.